Here in today's video, we're going to take a look at how to hibernate your LinkedIn account. The first thing you'll need to do is log in to your Twitter account, of course, and then head over to the Me section, click on Me, and click on Settings and Privacy. Now, this is the Settings tab of your LinkedIn account from where you can manage all the settings available. And now you simply need to click on Account Preferences, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see an option for Hibernate account. So if you don't know, Hibernate account means simply deactivating your account of LinkedIn. Click on this arrow. Here you can clearly see that hibernating means temporarily hide your LinkedIn profile and activity, but not close your account. So hibernating is a great option in order if you want to take a break from LinkedIn. Now you need to pick any of the options, add in the feedback and click next. The last thing you need to do is type in the password of your account and simply click on hibernate account. The other thing you need to remember is that you cannot hibernate your account if you are a premium member of LinkedIn. You can only do if you are a basic member. So if you have paid version of LinkedIn, you will not be able to hibernate your account. You will need to switch your account from a premium account to a basic account, and only then you will have the option to hibernate. So those were the steps to hibernate your LinkedIn account.